Cats are known for their quirky and often unpredictable behaviors, and one of the more puzzling habits they sometimes display is sleeping in their litter box. For many cat owners, seeing their cat curled up comfortably in the litter box can be both perplexing and concerning. After all, the litter box is intended as a place for the cat to relieve itself, not as a cozy sleeping spot. However, this behavior, though strange, is not as uncommon as one might think. To understand why cats sometimes choose to sleep in their litter box, it is important to consider both instinctual behaviors and the factors that may contribute to such actions in a domestic setting. First and foremost, it is important to understand the role of the litter box in a cat's life. Cats are naturally clean animals, and they instinctively seek out specific areas to eliminate waste. In the wild, cats will often choose secluded, safe spots to urinate and defecate, ensuring that their scent is contained and that they are not drawing attention to themselves. The litter box serves a similar function in a domestic environment, offering cats a private, controlled area where they can relieve themselves. For a cat, the litter box is not just a functional item, it can also be seen as a territory of sorts, where the cat feels secure and comfortable. One of the primary reasons a cat may choose to sleep in its litter box is a sense of security and comfort. The litter box can provide a safe, enclosed space where the cat feels protected from potential threats. In the wild, cats often seek out small, enclosed spaces to rest, as these areas offer a sense of refuge from predators. Domestic cats may exhibit similar behavior, particularly if they feel stressed or anxious. The litter box, being an enclosed space, can feel like a secure retreat for a cat, especially if it is placed in a quiet, undisturbed corner of the home. Additionally, cats are territorial animals, and the litter box can become an extension of their personal territory. Cats are known to mark their territory with scent, and they do this not only through urine and feces but also by rubbing their face and body against objects within their territory. The litter box, being an area that is frequently used, may become a place where the cat feels the need to reinforce its scent and claim ownership. By sleeping in the litter box, the cat is further marking the area as its own. This behavior may be more common in multi-cat households, where competition for territory can be more pronounced. In such cases, a cat might sleep in the litter box as a way of asserting dominance over that space and ensuring that it has a designated area that belongs to it. Another possible explanation for this behavior is a cat's natural inclination to seek out warmth and comfort. Litter boxes are often placed in quiet, sheltered areas of the home, such as bathrooms or laundry rooms, where they may be warmer than other parts of the house. Cats are known to seek out warm places to sleep, as they are more comfortable in a warmer environment. The warmth of the litter box, combined with the soft, absorbent nature of the litter, can create a surprisingly comfortable resting spot for a cat. If the litter box is in a particularly warm area or if it is recently cleaned and fresh, the cat may find it to be an inviting place to curl up and sleep. In some cases, cats may sleep in their litter box due to a lack of other suitable sleeping options. This could be a result of environmental factors, such as the cat not having access to a comfortable bed, couch, or other resting spots. If a cat's living environment does not provide enough quiet, comfortable places to sleep, it may resort to the litter box as the next best option. This is especially true for cats that are newly adopted or moved into a new home, where they may not yet have established a preference for specific resting areas. In such situations, the litter box may provide a sense of familiarity and safety until the cat becomes more accustomed to its surroundings. However, there are times when a cat's choice to sleep in the litter box is a sign of a deeper issue. If a cat suddenly starts sleeping in its litter box, especially if it has not done so in the past, it could be an indication of stress, anxiety, or illness. Cats are highly sensitive creatures, and changes in their behavior can often signal that something is wrong. Stressors such as changes in the home environment, a new pet or family member, or a move to a new house can all cause a cat to seek comfort in unusual places, such as the litter box. Anxiety, in particular, can cause a cat to retreat to a familiar area where it feels secure, and the litter box may offer that sense of refuge. Health issues can also contribute to this behavior. Cats with urinary tract infections, UTIs, kidney disease, or other medical conditions may feel the urge to urinate frequently and may associate the litter box with relief. If a cat is experiencing discomfort while urinating or has an increased need to urinate, it may spend more time in the litter box or even sleep there in an attempt to stay close to the source of relief. In some cases, a cat with a health problem may also exhibit behavior such as excessive grooming, lethargy, or changes in appetite, which should be closely monitored by the owner. If a cat is sleeping in its litter box and exhibiting signs of illness or discomfort, it is important to seek veterinary attention to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Cats may also sleep in their litter box if they are not properly trained to use other areas of the house for resting. In some cases, a cat may have had negative experiences with a bed or other resting areas, such as being disturbed while trying to sleep or feeling unsafe in those spaces. If the litter box is the only area where the cat feels undisturbed, it may choose to rest there for the sake of peace and solitude. Similarly, if the cat has not been provided with adequate bedding or comfortable resting spots, it may default to the litter box as a makeshift bed. Another potential cause of a cat sleeping in the litter box could be related to improper litter box maintenance. Cats are naturally fastidious animals, and a dirty or unclean litter box can cause significant stress or discomfort for a cat. If a litter box is not cleaned regularly or if the cat feels that the box is too dirty to use, it may refuse to use it for its intended purpose altogether, leading to behavioral changes such as sleeping in the box. In such cases, it is essential to ensure that the litter box is kept clean, with the litter changed regularly and the box disinfected as needed. A clean, well-maintained litter box can encourage the cat to use it appropriately and may discourage the behavior of sleeping in it. While it may seem odd for a cat to sleep in its litter box, there are several possible explanations for this behavior. In many cases, it is simply a matter of the cat seeking security, comfort, or warmth in a familiar, enclosed space. It may also be a way of marking territory or seeking comfort during stressful times. However, if the behavior is sudden or accompanied by signs of illness or distress, it may indicate an underlying medical or emotional issue that requires attention. By paying close attention to changes in behavior and maintaining a clean, comfortable environment for the cat, owners can help ensure that their feline companions remain happy, healthy, and comfortable in their homes.